What if you could take all your Stripe products and turn them into fully managed SaaS plans in HighLevel without making your clients re-enter payment info? Here's how it works. First, go to your agency-level SaaS configurator. Click Add Plan, select Stripe as your source, and then hit Import from Stripe. Search for the products you want. Only ones not already in HighLevel will appear. This is perfect if you have existing subscriptions that aren't yet SaaS enabled. You can bring them into the SaaS configurator without downtime or billing issues. Once imported, you can edit the plan details, pricing, user limits, features, and add-ons. You can even attach custom menu links or marketplace apps for extra value. The last step, link the product to your client's sub-accounts. HighLevel lets you map existing Stripe subscriptions, so there's no double billing. Your clients stay subscribed, and you gain a fully trackable SaaS plan. Pro tip, this is a great way to migrate agency clients to recurring SaaS revenue, and it makes scaling multiple accounts much smoother. With this method, you can turn your existing Stripe products into a fully integrated automated SaaS workflow, all inside HighLevel. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for more tips.